to sharpen because it's rotating. When it's small, you chop it inside and you push. And I don't know if you're aware, but carrots are grown under the ground. We don't peel. That's the most nutritious part. Okay? Let's cut some zucchini. Some people now are making zoodles. You know, you want spaghetti, but you have diabetes, so you want to avoid the carbs. So what you do is you cook the spaghetti sauce normal, but then you use zucchini as your noodles. So the way you do the spiral cut is like this. So that would be your spaghetti. See that?
Fast.
How fast is that? The good thing is you don't need to buy it. It's like $900. But we're not selling. The only way to get it is to host a cooking show. Because that's how we market our product. You can't see us in Davy Jones or Meyer. You can only get Salad Master to a party like this. Because we really need a personal touch. We need people to see it, taste the food that we are cooking. Not just displaying Davy Jones and you don't understand what you're getting. So let's get some zucchini, good for your gut health. Cone number 4 is the slice cut. Look at that. Wow. When you use a knife, of course the thickness will be different, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't look nice. And if you want like a half